Welcome to our step-by-step guide. Today, we're going to show you how your sales reps can quickly place a sales order from their phone or tablet using a sales app. The app will then automatically send the orders to your Zoho Books or Zoho Inventory account. Using a sales app like this allows your reps to capture orders out in the field from anywhere at any time, using all the latest product info and pricing info from Zoho. And the best part, the orders go straight into your Zoho account for your warehouse team and finance team to quickly process and issue an invoice. No more paperwork or manually typing up invoices. Let's show you how it's all done. First, we get started by logging into the app with a login that's unique to each sales rep. Now that your sales rep is logged in, they will go ahead and tap on Customers at the top of the screen, then select the customer they are creating the sales order for and tap Select Customer. The customer name will now appear at the bottom of the screen. Next, they will head to the product catalog by pressing on the Back button, followed by the Products tab. From here, they will navigate through the categories and subcategories to find the products that are needed to add to the order. To add products to the order, sales reps can tap on the plus button next to the items they want. This will populate the cards with the selected products. Once they've added all the items needed, they can tap on the cart icon in the bottom right. Here, you'll see a draft order. When it comes to creating the order, they have options. If they're in a hurry and want to keep it quick, sales reps can simply tap on Create Order to finalize the order. Or, if they want to add more details for the order, they will tap Next at the bottom of the screen to access additional options. Here, they can edit details such as payment method, delivery details, customer contacts, sales rep details, and even capture a customer signature. Once they're happy with all the changes, they can then tap on Create Order. It's as easy as that. The order has been created. Sales reps can view the orders for the selected customer in the app under the tab Orders. They can also click on an order to view its full details. The sales order will be sent to you and appear in your inbox. Upon opening the email, you will be able to view the order as a PDF. We will also send a copy of the PDF to your warehouse and optionally to the customer as well. Once the rep has created the order in the app, the order automatically syncs to your Zoho account. You can view the sync status of your orders in the web console, where you will navigate to the Orders tab in the left side panel. This is where you can get a global view of all the recent orders from your sales reps and for all your customers. Here, we can see that the order we just created is currently marked as pending. Once it has fully synced to Zoho, the status will change to Succeeded. Let's move over to Zoho to make sure our orders are there. On the dashboard, navigate to the Sales tab and select Sales Orders. You'll find all the sales orders made in the app now fully imported and present in Zoho without any extra manual data entry. Clicking on a specific order gives you a complete breakdown. You'll find all the details that the sales rep filled out in the app, the products, their prices, and any discounts applied. And that's it! You can now process this order and generate an invoice for it in Zoho just as you normally would, without the need for re-inputting the order data as you used to do. Order details are entered just once by the rep when they create the sales order, saving you and your team valuable time. We hope this video helps you see how your business can run smoother by connecting your accounting and inventory systems with the sales app. By cutting down on the paperwork and not having to type in orders twice, you're not just saving time, but also getting orders processed faster and with fewer mistakes. If you'd like to try out this process, check out the link in the description below to sign up for a free trial.